Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1 and I will show you how you can check for the system updates. At the first we have to go for the settings. Next we have to scroll down for device preferences. When we are here we have to go for about and go for the system update. As you can see right now our TV is checking for available updates. And there we get the notification that our system is up to date. So I cannot make the new update, but maybe after a few months of that video, after putting this video on the YouTube, something will change and you will be able to make the update, and that's how it looks. So if you like this video, remember to leave a comment and subscription.